Hello students, I hope you are doing well. My dear students, we have started PMI, Principle of Mathematical Induction. So today we will discuss some problems related to PMI. Our first example is prove that 3 raised to the power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64 for all n belongs to natural. So dear student, you know process of PMI, either you can say algorithm of PMI, in which first we will take n is equal to 1, then we assume that n is equal to k is true, and in last we want to prove that n is equal to k plus 1. There is working rule. There is a working rule of PMI, either you can say algorithm of PI. So first of all, we will write given conjecture or statement as Pn. So our Pn is 3 raised to the power 2n plus 2 minus 8 and minus 9. First we will take n is equal to 1. So P1 is in left, 3 raised, no left right, we have only n is equal to 1. So our P1 is 3 raised to power 2 into 1 plus 2, 8 into 1 minus 9. 2 ones 2 plus 2, 4, minus 8 minus 9. 3 raised to power 4, 81. And 81 minus 8, 9, 17, 64. And our question about divisibility of 64. So, therefore, n is equal to 1 is true. Clear? Now, we assume that n is equal to k is also true. अब हम एज्यूम करेंगे n is equal to k क्या है, ट्रू. सो p k is 3 raised to power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9 means true, means it is divisible by 64. Okay, it is divisible by 64, so we can write it is 64m. You know, if any number, suppose you know 56 is divisible by 7, 7 8s 56, so 56 can be written as 8 into 7. So same way, if this number is divisible by 64, so there will be some quotient, so that is m. Clear? Now we want to prove that n is equal to k plus 1. Now we want to prove that n is equal to k plus 1. So pk plus 1 is 3 raised to power 2 into k plus 1 plus 2, 8 into k plus 1 minus 9. Dear student, now we want to prove this part is divisible by 64. Now we will solve 3 raised to power 2k plus 2 plus 2 minus 8k minus 8 minus 9. So that is, we can write is 3 raised to power 2k plus 2 into 3 raised to power 2. आप इसको ऐड मत करना 2 plus 2. हमने क्या किया, 3k plus 2 को अलग रखा, 3 की पावर 2 को अलग बेस दे दिया, और minus 8k minus 17. And you know 3 raised to power 2 is 3 square. 3 square means 9. So 9 into 3 raised to power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 17. Clear? Now my dear students, आपको ये वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है कहां से, वेयर वी हैव सपोज्ड मींस वी assumes that, yes, ओके। तो यहां से आप 3 रेज टू पावर 2k प्लस 2 का रिजल्ट क्या निकालेंगे, 64m माइनस 8k प्लस 8k और प्लस 9, we can say it is 1, okay। So from first you can write from first 9 into, तो वैल्यू ऑफ 3 रेज टू पावर 2k प्लस 2 क्या है वो लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, 64m प्लस 8k प्लस 9 माइनस 8k माइनस 17। नाउ आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 9 इंटू 64m, 9 8 72k, 9 9 81 minus 8k minus 70. So dear student, it is 9 into 64m, 72k minus 8k, 64k, 81 minus 17 also 64. Now you can see 64, 64, 64. So taking common 60 from 4 whole, we get 9m plus k plus 1, and we can write it is m dash. So our result is 64m dash. Okay, now we have proved pk plus 1 is 3 raised to power 2k plus 2 plus 2 इज इक्वल टू 64m डैश। हमने ये प्रूव कर दिया इट इज ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 64, क्लियर। सो वी हैव प्रूव्ड बाय यूजिंग PMI it is true for every natural number, clear। now let us see next problem। Pn is the statement 41 raised to the power n minus 14 raised to the power n is a multiple of 27। The same way we will prove it by using PMI। So first of all n is equal to 1, so P1 is 41 raised to power n, 14 raised to power 1, 41 minus 14 27, so which is true। You know 27 is divisible by 27, okay। Now we will assume that n is equal to k is true, so pk is 14 raised to power k minus 14 raised to power k। True means it is a multiple of 27, so we will suppose it 27n, okay। now we want to prove that n is k plus 1, so pk plus 1 is 14 raised to power k plus 1, 41 raised to the power k plus 1 minus 14 raised to power k plus 1, okay। we want to prove that this part is also multiple of 27, so we can break it 41 raised to power k into 41, 14 raised to power k into 40। now from first you can find value of 41 raised to power k, so value of 41 raised to power k is 27m plus 14 raised to power k, so pk plus 1 is value of 41 raised to power k is 27m plus 14 raised to the power k into 41 minus 14 raised to the power k into 14. Now you will multiply 27 into 41m, 41 into 14 raised to power k, and 14 into 14 raised to power k. 27 into 41m. Now dear student, what is common? 14 raised to power k. So here 41, here 14. 27 into 41m. 41 minus 14 also 27. So dear student, what is common here? 27. So we get 41m plus 14 raised to power k. We suppose it is m dash. So our result is 27m dash. Means it is also multiple of 27. So in the end you will write, by using PMI, it is true for every natural number. Every natural number. Clear? Now let us see next problem. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3. Our given conjecture is Pn is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n is less than 1 by 8 2n plus 1 whole square. Okay. So by using, we will prove it by using PMI. First of all, when n is 1. So in P1, 1 is 1 means here only 1 and less than 1 by 8, 2 into 1 plus 1 square. 2 ones 2 1, 3 3 square, 9 by 8. So you know 1 is always less than 9 by 8. So it is true. Okay. It is true. In case of 1 means when n is 1, so in left part we will take only first term, or in right we will put n as 1. Okay. Now we assume that n is equal to k is true. Means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k is less than 1 by 8 2k plus 1 whole square. We assume that it is true. Okay. And now we want to prove that n is k plus 1. We want to prove it by n is equal to k plus 1. In this case, pk plus 1 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1 is less than 1 by 8. 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 whole square. Okay. And you know 1 plus 2 plus 3. So just before k plus 1 we can write k also. And now you can solve. It is 2k plus 2 1 2 plus 1 means 1 by 8 less than 2k plus 3. 1 by 8 into 2k plus 3 whole square. Now actually we want to prove that this part is less than this. Okay. So from first, dear student, you know this part is greater. You can say surplus. So making equality, it is true. It is true because we supposed n is equal to k is true. It is true means this part is greater. If I will take equal means something will subtract from it. something subtract from it, we suppose subtract m. Okay, you can see it is true, means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k is less than this part, it is true. अगर ये true है और ये पार्ट ग्रेटर है, तो अगर हमने इसमें सपोज करो m सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, तो on subtracted m both are equal. Clear? Now we want to prove this part. So from left 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1. Okay, we know this part is equal to, यहां से देखिए आप, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k. You know 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k is equal to this part. So half 1 by 8th of 2k plus 1 whole square minus m plus k plus 1. Now you know a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus k plus 1 minus m. Okay, now 1 by 8 4k square plus 4k plus 1, and if 8 is LCM, multiply with this also, 8k plus 8. Okay, so dear student, now we have written here pk plus 1 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k is equal to, हमारे पास क्या आ गया, 1 by 8 4k square plus 12k plus 9 minus m, and you know it is the whole square of 2k plus 3, whole square of 2k plus 3 and minus m. Clear? If you know, if I will remove m from here, then it should be greater. So half 2k plus 3 whole square. अब आप यहाँ माइनस m, देखो हमने अगर m यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट किया हुआ है तो बोथ साइड क्या है, इक्वल. अगर मैं m यहाँ से रिमूव कर दूंगा, इट मीन्स दिस पार्ट इज ग्रेटर देन लेफ्ट. क्लियर? So by using PMI we have proved it is true for all natural number. Okay, now let us see next problem.